Basta when you set your eyes on something, talagang makukuha mo yun. Tignan mo si Amor. Hinahabol-habol na siya ngayon as Amor Powers.
It's all about hard work. You reap what you sow. The law of karma.
Oo. Kaya kapag may ginawa kang masama, sasadsad ka sa lupa. Tapos yung mga taong nagtiwala sa'yo, iwan ka na lang nila.
Sadly, there's this thing called sabotage. Yung mga hindi makatanggap na nakakalamang ang iba, they bring them down. Pathetic. Effective, true, but still, pathetic.